Okay, so yeah, I was entering an item that I might want, for example, a bridge, and then I put an estimate there, I don't know, 400 linden, and I might look, oh, the name is, I can't think of the place that Craftwork, I think it was. I might look there in Craftwork, grab the slurl, and then coming to this next column. So these two next columns are helping. The first one is about helping you with the decision making process. Most of all, helping to know where am I with this decision, because I find that really useful. It helps me organize myself. So I could say with this Craftwork bridge, I'm maybe still thinking about it, and in which case the next column is what therefore do I now do. Well, if I'm still thinking about it, I might go explore that shop. I might look for that specific bridge item. I might do nothing for the moment, yeah, if I'm still thinking about it, I might demo something if I still have it, and that's part of the thinking. So, for example, I put demo it there. The thing is that, and this is where the decision logic comes in, what these columns here at the end do is essentially they look out for the moment that you, to any of these items, either put go buy it, and if you see go buy it, what happened here is that suddenly a price appeared here, number, and it took the number that I had said it would cost, and it said, okay, she's gonna do this, so let's include it in the kind of like final actual shopping list, realistic shopping list. So the one here is the 01 is just the logic, and whether it's true or false, and then here it's the number gets taken into account. So it's like take my purchase into account for real, is the grey area here. Now that happens whether you say go buy it, or you might want to gift it, and that's quite nice to think about when you're doing a lot of shopping. It's kind of nice, you can feel less guilty if you actually do a little gift for someone as well. So you might choose to gift it or buy it. Now if it's either of those two, it'll take into account the price of that item into your actual shopping list. Okay, so I might say, just for the purpose of looking at this, go buy it. But then in that case, I will have made a decision. So it's more likely I'd say yes. So if we take a different decision, let's go to the one further up. This is not low priority, it's a boat. I imagine they're a bit more expensive. I can't remember the brand, haven't got a place yet. So I'm still thinking about it, definitely. And what do I need to do? I need to go and explore a shop. So I need to kind of look for, not for alternatives, but go exploring is the next step. And so I would probably say go explore that shop. I don't have a shop yet, but as soon as I put a shop in there, that's what I would do, go and explore that shop. And so because I'm exploring, it's not acting on anything yet, and so nothing is happening over here. If I would say, yes, I've made a decision, go and buy it, then that's go buy it. As you can see, it would come up here in this final list. Okay, so that's these two columns and how they work with each other. This one really is where is my brain, and the next one is what do I actually do next, and then this takes into account what you will do. So if you see, most of these items here are not go or buy it or gift it. Three of them are. One is gift it, which is this Rudolph skin. Goodness, who I'd give that to, but yeah, gift it. And then I've got go and buy it, and then go and buy it for the bridge and for the boat. So that would be 400, 1,300. Now, if you come over to here onto this left-hand side, here's where the decision making happens, or the support for decision making happens. I've got this area called wild spending here. Wild spending is saying, okay, let's imagine we bought everything on our list. So all of these things here, it sums all of them up, everything in this column up to this point here. And by the way, you can extend this, and I can show you later how to extend the table range. So it sums everything up that you've listed, and it said, well, if you spend all of those things with that budget, you're going to be over your budget, and it makes it slightly red if that is the case. On the other hand, around here, that says, well, let's let you build that list, but let's say with the things that you're actually planning to, that comes to 1,700, which means, oh, you still have 300 left.